Are you ready to make money on YouTube without filming, editing, or even showing your face? In this video, I'll show you the exact method that creators like Matt Parr use to build faceless channels that generate passive income automatically. Here's the secret. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. With faceless YouTube channels, you can outsource everything from script writing, voiceovers, to thumbnails. All you need is a niche, a system, and consistency. Matt Parr runs over 9 faceless YouTube channels using this exact model. Step 1. Choose a high CPM niche, like finance, motivation, or health. Step 2. Write engaging scripts or hire a freelancer. Step 3. Use AI voiceovers or outsource to Fiverr. Step 4. Upload consistently with searchable titles and thumbnails. The reason this works so well is that YouTube rewards watch time and click-through rate, not your face. Matt Parr breaks it all down in his course Tube Mastery and Monetization, which has helped thousands build these income machines. I've studied it myself, and the blueprint is powerful. If you want to skip the guesswork and get the full system, check the link in the description. It's Matt's full course on how to build and scale faceless YouTube channels. Hit like, drop a comment if you've ever tried YouTube, and subscribe for more creator strategies like this.